If you're seeing the message Windows cannot determine the settings for this device code 34, don't panic. Device Manager, and it means Windows has no idea how to configure a certain hardware component. But I have got the fix for you step by step. First, let's understand what's going on. Error code 34 basically means there is a problem with the device driver. Windows just can't find the right one. Or the driver got corrupted. Most of the time, this error shows up with USB devices, graphic cards, or old hardware that wasn't installed properly. Let's start with the easiest fix, restarting your PC. Yes, I know it sounds basic, but sometimes a quick reboot helps Windows reanalyze the hardware and fix the problem automatically. Stay there. Alright, let's go to Device Manager, right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Find the device that's showing the yellow warning sign with the error, usually under categories like Other Devices, U or Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click on that device and choose Uninstall Device. In the pop-up window, check the box that says Delete the driver software for this device and click Uninstall. Once it's removed, go to the Action menu at the top of Device Manager and select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will now try to reinstall the device and search for a compatible driver. If it succeeds, the error should disappear. Now, if it still gives you the error, you will need to install the correct driver manually. To do that, go to your device or motherboard manufacturer's website, Dell, HP, Asus, Lenovo, or whoever made your PC, find your device model and download the latest driver available for Windows 10 or Windows 11, depending on what you're using. Once downloaded, install the driver by running the setup file or go back to Device Manager. Right-click the device, choose Update Driver, then click Browse My Computer for drivers and select the folder where you downloaded the driver files. After the installation, restart your PC, check Device Manager again. If everything went well, the yellow warning sign and error code should be gone and your device should be working normally. One more tip, make sure Windows Update is fully up to date. Sometimes Microsoft includes important driver updates that resolve these compatibility. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Install everything, then reboot again. Alright, quick recap. Uninstall the device, reinstall the driver manually, install the correct one from the official website, and keep your system updated. Let me know in the comments which method fixed the issue for you, or if you're still stuck, drop your device model and I will try to help. If this video helped you out, leave a like, subscribe for more Windows fixes, and I will see you in the next one. _AUDO